The vowels. Underline, count and write the vowels in each word. Tomato 3. Elephant 3. Sun 1. Kite 2. Mango 2.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.